Thing number three, Gary, we're going to be talking Las Vegas Sands, ticker LVS, one of DKI portfolio positions. Gary, thing number three, we've got Macau summer tourism rebounds.
All right. So Las Vegas Sands has the leading market share in two different markets. They own half the Singapore market, and the Singapore market is roughly the same size as Las Vegas. So the Marina Bay Sands there, imagine owning like the north side of the Las Vegas Strip. It's kind of like that. Macau is the gaming capital of the world. It is part of China. It's a special administrative region. It is by far the largest gaming market in the world, and Sands has by far the largest market share there. So the stock has traded poorly recently out of concerns regarding the Chinese economy. On top of that, they had all kinds of other problems where China just remained locked down due to COVID for much longer than the rest of the world did. And they were very slow in letting that economy reopen and letting tourism come back. I've been saying for the last couple of years that Macau will make a full recovery, and guess what? We are there now. Credit to Inside Asian Gaming, which is a fantastic publication. I recommend it for those of you who want to know more about the gigantic Asian casino gaming market. But last summer, the summer that we just concluded, Macau saw 6.7 million visitors. That is very close to the pre-COVID 2019 visitation of 7.2 million. The more important thing, Rob, is that August visitation was above 2019 levels. So you can say what you want about a weaker Chinese economy, but there are more people going to Macau now, going to Macau at this present time than there were in 2019. We're also seeing reports of very strong bookings for Golden Week, which is coming up next month.
Yeah, Gary, we know that there have been stocks traded down a bit with the weak Chinese economy. You, though, referenced the shareholder stock buybacks that were paid out, 550 million and 600 million. Other than obviously these good reporting numbers, visitation, it seems like that's the key piece that you're tying to still your bullish sentiment on the stock. Anything else of note?
Yeah, I think those three things are the key ones, Rob. The Marina Bay Sands in Singapore is now performing at record levels, record pre-COVID levels. Macau is now seeing visitation above 2019 levels and strong bookings for Golden Week. And then in the last 2 quarters, the company has returned almost $1.2 billion to shareholders through stock buybacks and dividends. They recently acquired a big chunk of Sands China, which is the company that owns a percentage of just the Macau assets. There's a lot going right at the company. I think the stock market isn't comfortable with it yet, but this is one of those things where gaming is one of those businesses that has been around for thousands of years. It has been a pastime all over the world, but in Asia in particular for thousands of years. I don't, I just see this as a company that is in the process of making a full recovery.